The holiday season qualifies as one of those special occasions where it's appropriate to go all out for your loved ones. And we've got 5 of the best dash cams that are well worth the splurge. Whether you're looking to treat someone on your list that's been extra good this year, or even treat yourself, here are the elite of the elite. We're starting off our list with the best of the best, the Thinkware U1000. The U1000 is Thinkware's flagship dashcam, but it's more than just another 4K dashcam. It offers Super Night Vision 2.0 and cutting-edge cloud technology in a compact dashcam that sits perfectly behind the rearview mirror. But what makes it special is its best-in-industry parking surveillance features. The U1000 comes as a 1-channel unit or a 2-channel bundle, which gives you a 2K QHD rear camera, a Thinkware CPL filter, and a Thinkware hardwiring kit. With the hardwiring kit, you can hook up the U1000 to the car's battery to unlock the dashcam's parking surveillance capabilities, like the energy-saving Parking Mode 2.0, which gives you 3 times longer coverage than regular parking mode. If you want to make the gift extra special, throw in the optional Thinkware radar module and a battery pack, and you just gave them the priceless gift of stress-free extended parking protection of up to a week. If you're looking for excellent video quality but slightly more powerful cloud features, then look no further than the Q1000. But thanks to advanced image technology like Super Night Vision 3.0, digital overlap high dynamic range, noise reduction, and image dewarping, important details are captured with improved contrast and clarity day and night. Your 2K QHD videos might even look better than 4K UHD. The Q1000 is Thinkware's first premium dashcam that comes with built-in dual-band Wi-Fi and built-in Bluetooth 5.0, making pairing with a smartphone hassle-free. Speaking of smartphones, the Q1000 uses 2 mobile apps, the Thinkware Dashcam Link for managing footage and dashcam settings, and the Thinkware Connected app to access the new Connected Cloud features. So how's Thinkware Connected different from Thinkware Cloud? Well, you get more innovative features that brings more benefits and values, especially to rideshare drivers and fleet owners. Features like emergency alert and vehicle status report. If cloud connectivity is your top priority and you need something more powerful, then we strongly recommend the BlackVue DR900X Plus. The DR900X Plus is BlackVue's latest update of its flagship 4K model, keeping the signature stealthy cylindrical shape, but updating the processor and image sensor and adding several new features to make the DR900X Plus their best dashcam yet. While Thinkware and Nextbase also offers cloud-ready dashcams, BlackVue takes theirs a step further by providing you with an easy way to connect to the BlackVue cloud using the CM100G LTE module. All you need to do is plug in the free BlackVue SIM card that comes with the LTE module, and you can connect to the BlackVue cloud anytime, anywhere. The BlackVue DR900X Plus is a fully functional 4K UHD dashcam, whether you choose to use the optional CM100G LTE module and cloud features or not. But when you do add the optional CM100G LTE module into the setup, the DR900X Plus becomes a Wi-Fi hotspot for up to 5 devices in your car. A super cool way to stay connected and keep the passengers happy for sure. If there's one thing BlackVue understands very well, is that the most sought after feature is user-friendliness. And that's why they introduced the DR750X 2CH LTE Plus, a dashcam with built-in LTE connectivity. It's a cloud-ready front and rear 2-channel dashcam system that captures your drive at 60 frames per second in 1080p Full HD. And like the optional CM100G LTE module, the DR750X 2CH LTE Plus does come with a free BlackVue SIM card. And in this case, you insert the SIM card directly into the dashcam. Love the parking capabilities and cloud connectivity, but looking for a system that captures more than just the front and rear? 3-channel systems are a must for anyone who drives Uber, Lyft, or a cab, or wants to capture the front, rear, and interior so nothing gets missed. The BlackVue DR750X 3-channel Plus is not the only 3-channel system, but it is the only one that comes cloud-ready, and it's compatible with the BlackVue CM100G LTE module for an always-connected dashcam system. Now let's talk about how to make the best dashcam even better, with accessories. Let's start with the simplest accessory, the CPL filter. CPL filters help ensure the quality of the footage by minimizing lens flare, light reflection, and windshield glares. The Thinkware U1000 dual channel system already has a CPL filter included when you buy it. The BlackVue DR900X and the DR750X Plus doesn't come with one, but you can pick one up on our website. If they prefer something simpler, like plug and play simple, we strongly recommend the OBD2 power cable. It's not just a power cable, it's a foolproof plug and play power option they never knew they had. For a mere $50, it saves a lot of headache and time, and they're gonna love you for it. The iRoad OBD2 power cable works great with any Thinkware dashcam, and if even that's too complicated, you can always get them a BlackboxMyCar gift card so they can book an installation service with our in-house technicians at a Richmond install center. Now, if they're handy enough to do a DIY hardwire installation, they're going to appreciate the BlackboxMyCar Essential Installation Kit, which comes with all the tools they need to get the job done. Feeling a bit more generous? A dashcam battery pack is guaranteed to put a smile on their face. Battery packs are great because it's the only way to power a dashcam for parking mode that doesn't require hardwiring, and at the same time, it won't damage your car battery. Just plug and forget. Ranging from $250 to $400, you can pick up a dashcam battery pack like the BlackboxMyCar PowerCell 8. Though we don't think the most expensive gifts are necessarily the best ones, the holiday season is the best time to splurge on your loved ones and show them how much you care. As you can see, we've got quite a selection of the best of the best. And because you watched our video, we also have a special discount code just for you. Check out now with exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube to take 5% off your next purchase. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our other gift guides.